Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's I'm going to show you how to quickly boost the network signal on your iPhone if your signal keeps dropping or your mobile data feels slow. This simple step can make a big difference. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center. Tap the airplane mode icon. Wait for about 10 seconds. And then tap it again to turn it off. This helps your iPhone reconnect to the strongest nearby network. Step 2. Toggle mobile data. Next, go to settings, mobile data, turn mobile data off. Wait for around 5 seconds and turn it on again. This resets your data connection and can improve the speed. Step 3. Select the best voice and data mode. Go to settings, mobile data, voice and data. You will see options like 2G, 3G, 4G. Choose 4G for the best signal and fastest data. If you are in the area with very weak coverage, 3G can sometimes stabilize calls and reduce drops. Your iPhone will automatically connect to the strongest available tower after you select the mode, and that's it. Boosted your iPhone network signal using quick and effective step. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.